Hey everyone, Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and I am working on the 4th page of my Earth Day Crochet Quiet Book. And the 4th page will have 4 snowflakes. So I need to make one more, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to make this snowflake. And let me just move this out of the way. On my ends, I haven't woven in anything yet. I am using Bernat Super Value yarn in white. All right, so let's just get started. I have my snowman crochet hook. Isn't that perfect for this tutorial? So we are going to start by making a magic ring, and we are going to make 6 single crochets in the ring. So the first thing you want to do is chain 1 in your magic ring and then make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pull tight, join to your first single crochet. Okay. Now for the next round, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the next space. Then I'm going to chain 4, and I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the next stitch, and we're going to continue this around. So chain 4, join, okay, and the last one you see, you're going to join pretty much where you started. So you're going to have a total of, let me just join that, 6 chain 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Pull that a little tighter. Let me move this out. Okay. Now for the last round, this is going to be the toughest one, but we can do it. You're going to slip stitch over, so you're working in the first chain 4 space. Okay? We're going to make a single crochet. We're going to chain 2. And now I'm going to make a slip stitch in the second chain from hook. I'm going to single crochet back in that same chain 4 space. Now I'm going to chain 3. Now I'm going to slip stitch in the 2 chain spaces right there. Now I'm going to come and I'm going to single crochet again back in this chain 4 space. Chain 2, slip stitch in that 1 chain. Now join with a slip stitch back in that same chain 4 space. So there's your first snowflake pattern point. Okay, so we're going to do that in all of these chain 4 spaces around. Okay, so I'm going to slip stitch over, so I'm working in that chain 4 space again. Now I'm going to single crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, single crochet back in the chain 4 space, chain 3, slip stitch in these 2 chain stitches, okay, single crochet back in that same chain 4 space, chain 2, single crochet in that 1 chain space, and join with a slip stitch. Okay, so now we've completed 2 of our little snowflake points. Let's keep going and just finish all the way around. Okay, that was our last one. Just going to clip this yarn. Leave a tail, long tail, so we can stitch that on to our final crochet page. And there we have it, this cute little snowflake.